When it comes to enhancing the security of your home, most people think of alarms, locks, and surveillance systems. However, one of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to increase security is by replacing old windows. In Fayetteville, where homes face a variety of weather conditions and potential security threats, upgrading your windows can provide peace of mind and a significant improvement to your home's overall safety. Here's how window replacement can make your home more secure. Stronger glass option. One of the primary benefits of replacing old windows is the opportunity to install stronger, more durable glass. Standard windows can be vulnerable to break-ins, as they are often made from thin, easily shatterable glass. Modern replacement windows, however, can feature impact-resistant glass or laminated glass, which is designed to withstand force. These types of glass are harder to break, making it more difficult for intruders to enter your home. For Fayetteville homeowners, where storms and heavy winds can also be a concern, impact-resistant windows can serve a dual purpose: protecting your home from breakage due to weather and increasing the difficulty for burglars to access your property. Enhanced locking mechanism. Another key improvement that window replacement brings is the chance to install windows with advanced locking mechanisms. Older windows may have outdated or faulty locks, making them easier for criminals to bypass. Modern windows often come with multi-point locking systems, which engage at multiple points along the frame, making them more secure. Some windows even feature key locks or window latches that are resistant to tampering. In Fayetteville, where many homes may have older windows, upgrading to windows with superior locking systems can significantly reduce the likelihood of unauthorized entry. A secure window not only offers safety but also deters criminals from targeting your home in the first place. Better window frame materials. The material of the window frame plays a crucial role in the overall security of your windows. Older wood frames, for example, may have deteriorated over time, becoming weak and easier to break. By opting for a window replacement, you can choose more durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are both strong and weather-resistant. These materials are more difficult to tamper with, making it harder for burglars to gain entry. Additionally, these modern materials offer better insulation, which enhances the comfort of your home, while also keeping intruders at bay. Fayetteville homeowners can benefit from these durable frames, which help prevent both break-ins and the effects of extreme weather. Improved visibility and natural surveillance. Window replacement doesn't just enhance the physical security of your home, but it can also contribute to a safer neighborhood through increased visibility. With older, worn-out windows, it can be challenging to get a clear view of your surroundings. Newer windows, particularly those with larger panes or improved design, can allow more natural light into your home and offer better visibility of the outside world. This heightened visibility serves as a deterrent to criminals, who are less likely to target a house where they are easily seen. It also provides you with the ability to keep an eye on what's happening around your property, which can help you spot suspicious activity and take action when necessary. Energy efficiency and indirect security benefits. while the primary purpose of window replacement is to improve security, there are also secondary benefits that contribute to overall safety. Energy-efficient windows, which are often part of a window replacement project, can help keep your home comfortable and reduce energy costs. When your home is more energy efficient, your HVAC system won't need to work as hard to maintain a consistent temperature, making your home less likely to experience temperature fluctuations that might attract burglars. Additionally, energy-efficient windows typically have better weatherproofing, which prevents drafts, leaks, and condensation, all of which could lead to structural issues over time. By maintaining the integrity of your home's structure, you're further securing your property against the elements and potential break-ins. Smart window features. For the tech-savvy Fayetteville homeowner, window replacement can include smart window features that enhance home security. For example, some windows can be outfitted with sensors that alert you when they are opened or tampered with. Smart windows can also be integrated with your home security system, providing real-time updates on the status of your windows. Conclusion. Window replacement is a simple yet highly effective way to improve your home's security in Fayetteville. From stronger glass and advanced locking systems to durable materials and enhanced visibility, new windows can make it harder for intruders to break in while offering you peace of mind. Whether you are upgrading old windows to increase your home's safety or preparing for the unpredictable weather in Fayetteville, a window replacement is a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance their home security.